If you've ever lost an important Word document due to an unexpected shutdown or crash, you know how frustrating it can be. Fortunately, all is not lost. There are several methods to recover and save documents, including using recovery tools, Word's built-in features, or accessing temporary files. In this guide, we'll explore 3 effective ways to retrieve your lost work and prevent future data loss. Part 1. Recover and saved Word document with data recovery. For the simplest and most reliable data recovery is a top choice. This powerful third-party tool excels at retrieving lost, corrupted, or overwritten data. Step 1. Download and install the software on your computer. Step 2. Open the program, and on the main interface, select PC and hard drive data recovery. Step 3. You'll see an interface displaying all available data recovery locations. Choose your hard drive or desktop, and click on it. If you can't find the partition where your data was lost, click Scan the entire disk for a full disk scan. Step 4. The scan results will be grouped by file type and path. If you know the type of data or the file path, you can quickly locate the file you're looking for. You can also use the search and filter options to make the process even more efficient. Step 5. Once the scan is finished, or if you want to pause it, the program will prompt you to save the scan results. If you're not ready to recover your data right away, you can save the scan file and resume the process later. Part 2. Recover and saved Word document using AutoRecover. Microsoft Word's AutoRecover feature automatically saves temporary versions of your document while you work. If Word crashes or your device shuts down, these autosave files can help you restore your progress. By default, it saves every 10 minutes, but you can adjust the frequency as needed. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word and click on File in the top left corner. Step 2. Go to Info and click on Manage Document. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Recover and Save Documents. Step 4. A window will appear showing the unsaved documents. Find the one you need and click to open. Step 5. Once the document opens, make sure to save it to your desired location. How to turn on AutoRecover. If AutoRecover is not enabled on your system, or if you want to adjust its settings to save more frequently, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File Options. Step 2. Under the Save tab, ensure the box for Save AutoRecover information every X minutes is checked. Step 3. Adjust the time interval to your preference, for example every 5 minutes for more frequent saves. Step 4. You can also change the location where AutoRecover files are stored by clicking on the AutoRecover File Location button. Part 3. Recover and saved Word document from temporary files. If AutoRecover fails, you can still try recovering your unsaved Word document by checking your computer's temporary files. Word creates temp files while you work, and even if you never save the document, these files may still be available for recovery. Step 1. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog. Type temp, and hit enter. This opens the system's temporary files folder. Step 2. In this folder, look for files with the temp extension. You can narrow your search by typing Word in the search bar to display temporary files linked to Microsoft Word. Step 3. Temporary files may have random names, but you can sort them by date modified to find those created around the time you were editing your document. Step 4. Copy the identified temporary file to your desktop or another location. Rename it by changing the file extension from temp to docs or doc. Double-click the renamed file to open it in Word. If it's the right document, don't forget to save it immediately. Alternatively, you can directly check the default location where Word stores and save files. For Windows 10-11, navigate to see Users your username app data local Microsoft Office Unsaved files, replacing your username with your actual Windows username. Look for files with the AST or temp extension.